Okay, so for this one, we need to capture draw structures. We need to capture this building. So let's look for views that are not obstructed by trees. So we can try to pick this one, and this should be good. This should be fine. So first, draw the base. So as much as possible, guys, I would avoid excuse me. I would avoid using views with bird's eye view or top center view. But on this example, we do not have, or we can just switch between the two. Yeah, drag the wall and draw the top. So this, guys, for drawing buildings such as this one, uh, what I do is I put assist line below and then try to match it. Or if it match, then it's good. If it doesn't match, I will redraw the my base again. So this should be good. Next, hopefully we can see views that so it's too far off. So again, let's my drawing is too far off. I'm sorry, sir. So if your drawing is off, guys, you need to redraw it again. You will have a hard time matching your panels if it's better to redraw it early. So again, align my base. Okay, so let's check. Uh, Draw the top. Okay, so let's try drawing our panels. So if it's wrong, then you can adjust, move a little bit like so. Delete this one, make an assist or just draw another panel. I sorry. Delete the assist line and withdraw your panel. And like so. For this one, you can just or make an assist line here. So it will serve as an anchor point for all of our panels. So same with this area right here. Draw an assist line up to there. And draw the remaining panels like so. And lastly, we will use the AutoFix tool, group, and then use F4. And let's remove the remaining. So let's check. Okay, so I think we are done. For this red area right here, what is happening? Why there is a red? Okay, we just need to merge. And lastly, add the corners. For this one, I'm not sure if we need to add a corner because I'm not seeing any depth in this area. So I think this should be good. Group and then Alt R, and it should look like this.